Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi Q5 sunshade. First, you'll need to gather a few essential tools, including a trim removal kit and a T25 torque screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off before you begin any work. This project involves carefully removing several clips and screws, so patience is key. We'll start by accessing the headliner components. Next, we'll focus on carefully prying down the dome light assembly using your trim removal tool. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once it's loose, disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the dome light and any other modules you encounter. Then, proceed to remove the grab handles and the sun visor mounts. This will allow the headliner to drop slightly, giving you access to the sun shade mechanism. Now, with the headliner lowered, you can locate and remove the screws that secure the old sunshade assembly. There are typically a few screws, often T25 torques, holding it in place. Carefully slide the damaged sunshade track out of its channel. Then, take your new sunshade assembly and gently insert it, making sure it aligns perfectly within the existing channels. Double-check for smooth operation before reassembly. Finally, it's time for reassembly. Carefully reattach all the headliner components, including your sun visors and grab handles, ensuring everything is secure. Don't forget to reconnect all electrical connectors to the dome light and any other modules you detached earlier. Test the new sunshade to confirm it operates smoothly. For an amazing way to keep your car's interior, or even your home, spotless, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.